Alex here from Easy Delicious Cooking. Today I'm cooking fasolada, a Greek vegan bean soup that is easy to make and full of flavour. Family and friends tonight for dinner for sure, so let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Hello, this is Alex from Easy Delicious Cooking. Today I'm going to cook white bean Mediterranean soup, or as we call it in Greece, fasolada. Very basic, amazing flavour, very healthy. It's a vegan meal. And what have we got? We've got the white beans, which are boiled. They've been on the heat now for about an hour. I'm going to dice the onions, celery leaves, parsley and carrots, and that's it. Olive oil, of course. And that's it. And the final outcome is amazing. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So there we go. There's one onion. There's two onions, two medium to large onions, and we'll dice these now and get back to you. Now I'm going to peel the carrots and dice them finely as well. Then I'll do the celery, carrots, onions and celery. We'll go into a small pot with a little bit of oil over low heat, and I will saute them, and the beans have still got another 20 minutes or so before they're ready. They've been cooking for more than about 30 to 40 minutes now. So anyway, I'll start peeling these carrots and we'll go from there. There we go, they're almost peeled. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I cook, I'm in my happy place. I'm creating something that other people are going to enjoy, especially the other people, of course, being my family and friends. And I love the fact that I'm cooking it, and I know that I'm using fresh ingredients, and it's nutritious and healthy. So the celery, carrots and onions are already diced. I should be sauteing them now, but just to quickly show you, I'm going to simply cut these fillets. I prefer to buy the tomatoes whole or halved rather than crushed, because at least I can see the tomato and I know the quality of the tomato. But when you buy it crushed, I personally, well, I figure, I don't know what kind of tomatoes have gone in there, to make that, and whereas this way I can actually see the quality of the tomato as well. So cutting it up like I'm doing now is not a big deal, so I prefer to do it this way. Okay, that's it, done. Quite a bit of olive oil. This recipe recommends a lot of olive oil, and I'm gonna, well, you know, there's a fair bit of olive oil in there already, but I'm going to add more. So next thing I do is just get a spoon, and in goes the celery, and the carrots, and the onions. So this will now go on low heat and saute for, I would imagine, maybe 10 minutes, and then it should be ready. Okay. So the last thing to prep is the celery, which I just got out of my garden. So I'm going to chop these up really finely. I won't be using them till later, but I've got a few minutes, so I might as well do something with it. So I'll chop these up as finely as I chop the celery, and that's my prep done. So I'll get back to you once this is done. And here's the carrots, onions and celery sauteing, and the beans in here, they're still boiling, full bolt. They're not quite there yet, so I'm just going to keep boiling them until such time that they're ready. And then I'll just mix them all together and give the final cook. Okay. What I've done is add a little bit of pepper to the carrot, celery and onion, and mixed it all in, and now it's got that zing from the pepper as well. I haven't added any salt in yet, that will come in later. So they're almost sauteed to the point where I want them. So now I'm going to add the tomato, mix that in. The beans are not that far away now, so eventually the whole thing will go into the one pot, and it'll continue cooking until the beans are completely ready. So let's put this in there now, and we'll go to the next step. And this is what it looks like. I've just added some olive oil, about a quarter of a cup of olive oil, and some salt. So the whole thing now will keep cooking, and when it's ready and it's all melded together and the flavors are all combined, the beans should be ready by then. I'll put it all in the one pot and continue cooking it. So yeah, it's looking amazing. It smells great. So we'll keep going. Okay. When I add seasoning to my dish, I'm adding seasoning to my dish the way I like to do it. My taste is completely different to yours. So like I've just looked at the sauce and I've added some more salt and a little bit more pepper. You don't have to do that, of course. You will do whatever you like to do, however you like your meal. I'm just giving you a guide, and then it's up to you to decide, well, it's up to you to cook it the way you like it. So yeah, so there's my parsley now. That'll go in. So that will be the final ingredient to go in, except for maybe some more olive oil. And the beans are just about ready, so I'm going to mix it all in together, maybe top up a little bit of water and continue cooking it over low heat, and it should be ready soon. Okay, there it is. Didn't take long, it's perfect. All you need to do is, all I need to do is add a little bit of olive oil, and that's my dinner. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you end up cooking it, and if you like what you're seeing and feel like you want to subscribe, please do so. Every little bit helps. So again, I thank you. Until the next time, this is Alex. Goodbye for now.